And there is another basic tags are bold. What do you mean by bold? For example, I am writing paragraph. So I will write here P. P means paragraph, and I will give paragraph as hello world. So it will be look like this. Hello world, normal paragraph. But if I write I write G tag, and inside B I will write here anything like hello my world. So whatever written between the opening and closing G tag, it will be written as bold. That no, it will be dark. And we can say here, hello my world. So hello and world is normal paragraph, but my is dark because of bold tag. As well as we can use I. So what is meant by I? So just for example, I am writing here touch one. I'm having a website. So you can see here there is our website heading which is bold, dark, and in big size because of heading H1 website. And after H1 is I will write here I. Then whatever I will write in the whatever I will write between the I tags, it will be italic. That means it will be some cross words. Like example is I am writing here italic. So italic. So if we write here, then you can see here italic is some cross at some angle, inclined at some angle we can say. Similarly, we can use U. U means underline. So if you copy this sentence, and paste this sentence, this paragraph here. But instead of the, if I put U, so what is meant by U? U is it stands for underline. That means this my word will be underlined. So you can see here hello my word and my is underlined. Similarly, we can use another things like if we want to give paragraph, paragraph here I will give heading H2, and inside heading I will write 200 rupees. So it will be normally 200 rupees as you can see here. But if we want to cut or strike this 200 rupees, so we have to use here S, and inside S you will write this 200 rupees. That means between the opening and closing tag of S. So it will be striked. So you can say here there is a cut line because of strike. Similarly, many more other tags are here, but important ones are these: bold tag, superscript, subscript. So these are the basic elements we should know about this. Similarly, we will learn more other elements in the upcoming videos. So I hope you have understood. तो अब हम सीखने वाले हैं. So now we will learn about horizontal and break tags. We have we have used break tag in the previous videos. So again we will revise it. So for that we will write a paragraph. So our paragraph will be, you are here to learn about basic elements in HTML. After that, we will move towards next stages of web development. So this is our paragraph. So if we run it, we can see here this is our heading, and under that there is a paragraph. If I want to cut the lines as after about, there is basic, but I want basic in the new line. So what we will use for that, after about, here I will write one tag, that is BR. This is BR is the break tag. It is only opening one-ended tag. This means it opens only. It does not close. And after next as well I want to new line. So here also we can use BR break tag. So if we run it, we can see here after about basic is in the new line, and after next stage is in the new line. It is because of break tag. Similarly, if we write two breaks, that means 2 times BR, then it will be skip one line more. And if we write again BR, then it will be skip 2 more lines. So 3 BR means 3 space of lines. So you can see here after that there is 3 line spaces. I'm sorry to very this weird development. Similarly, we can use HR tag. What is HR? You can write after this paragraph, if I write here HR and again give another heading like H2 horizontal. So HR is horizontal line. So if we write HR, then there will be a horizontal line. So you can see here there is a horizontal line. If I write again there is HR after the horizontal H2 tag, if I write here HR, then again horizontal line will come. So you can see here. So that's how horizontal and break tag has covered.